Welcome, and follow me is CUBOT Power, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, you will need a little SIM eject tool, like one right here. And they usually come with the device, so you can find it somewhere in the box. And if you can't find it, you can always use a paper clip, and it should work just fine. So once you have it ready, you want to eject the tray that is located on the left side of the phone, right here. Pull it out completely, and then just place the SIM in there and SD card, like so. And the cutout on the SIM is on the bottom right corner, right here. I'm not sure if you can see it. Laying normally, all laying flush in there. So secure it in place and slide it back into the device, like so. Okay, and now if I unlock the device, it will most likely change the language to a different one because of the SIM card. And as you can see, there's the SD card and there's the SIM, both working. So that is how you would insert a SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.